What's going on, guys? My name is Bushy. In today's video we are going to be playing some Battlelands Royale, but we're gonna do a challenge. And yeah, so first I want to try a challenge, the only shotgun challenge. So let's move on. I'll try a lot of challenges. Let's go. First one is only shotgun. I'm doing this first time. And by the way, thanks to Mr. NASA for helping me with some tips. I asked him out later for some tips and much more, and yeah, he helped me a lot, so thanks a lot, dude. I appreciate it a lot. So I hope those tips help me out, cause that would be actually a waste. So let's go and try them out. So I haven't done like shoot, and I didn't know it's faster if you shoot and let go than shoot and let go with shotgun / sniper. Wow. Well, that's just hilarious. Thank you, I guess. I'm not gonna take the bazooka. Actually, there's so many guns, I can take the bazooka. I'm just spinning around like, I don't know. Nice. Let's take these ammo. Alright, let's go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh my god. I haven't even saw you there. Okay, I'm just gonna go for these guys. I'm not gonna try. 2 ammos left. There's actually a drop here. Oh damn, I'm gonna take the drop. More bazookas! I'm gonna take the shield. For goodness sakes, my health! It goes down really fast. Oh, I'm so dead. This is so dangerous. I'm not gonna battle him. I don't wanna waste my ammo. I have 2 kills, like I usually have. I need health. I see there. Some medkits and ammo. I hope you die. Yeah! GG! Well played. Nice. I won. With the bazooka, actually. Bazookas aren't actually that bad. They deal so much damage, but they're actually very slow. But I'm very good with bazookas, and that's so cool. Well, nice. Nice game. I got 15 XP, halfway to level 25. Actually, oh yeah, I am. Let's go another match, and let's hope we can win this. Actually, wait, I didn't even do the challenge, I forgot. Okay, focus now. Only shotgun challenge. And we're gonna win. Find the shotgun. I don't see any shotguns. Wait. Can I fight with fists? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna take the shotgun. It says only shotgun. So I think yeah. But that just doesn't make any sense. Alright. I have a shotgun with loads of ammo in it. It's gonna be 44. Or even higher. Or lower. This is a blank path. Okay, 54. That's okay, I like it. Nice. Looks like the ring is perfectly down here, so I'll take some ammo from here. Don't mind me. Oh. No one landed in hideouts. That's funny.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
The supply drops unless there's shield in it. Because I need shields right now. Right next to me. Jeez. I'm gonna be in the storm. Hurry up. There's shield. Well, that was a waste of time. At least I found a little bit of shield. I still have 0 kills though.
They ask you how you are, you just have
If I get to the end of the match, I might get more than 1 kills. Or 1. This is not good. This is so not good.
They ask you how you are,
How is there no one here? Hello? I'm gonna hide here for a while. Are you serious? That's called luck. Sweet, no one is taking it. What's goodies inside? I almost took the bazooka. Holy crap. You didn't even reach me, yo. Oh crap. Duel. The guy with bazooka versus the guy with a shotgun. Did you seriously almost blow up yourself? You still haven't got me. How much ammo does he have? There we go. Oh, look at my HP. I didn't even notice that. Nice! We won! No!
they ask you how you are, you say that you're fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No! That doesn't make any sense. Oh man, I hate when they do that. Like, I killed him first, and for some reason he won. Because he died first. Oh, that sucks. Oh. No. Okay, that was close though. Somehow we haven't managed to win. But let's go. Shotgun challenge. We can do it. We were so close to winning. But somehow we won. Should I take this as a victory? I don't know. I think I'm gonna take that as not a victory because maybe he won actually, but I just didn't fall. No. Yeah, I agree. I actually missed a lot of hits. I think this is enough for one video. So, be sure to smash that like or subscribe even if you're new to this post and you like it. So, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.